Good evening, Care Bears. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in the kitchen today, getting ready to make me some hamburger dip. So I thought y'all would want to see me make it. I had to defrost my hamburger because it was froze. I had a taste for some hamburger dip today, so I thought I'd make me some. So what y'all up to today? Today's Wednesday. Half of the week almost gone. We got a lot of snow here. Was it yesterday? Yesterday we had a snowstorm. 2 days before that we had a snowstorm. I think, let's see, Sunday we had a snowstorm. We got so much snow. It's ridiculous. Well, it's to be expected when you live in Iowa up north. We get a lot of snow. But you know, the past few years, winter wasn't that bad. But we paying for it now. We've been had like minus 55 degree weather. Yeah, it's been bad. I heard Chicago, they got it bad too. But I don't think it's badder than Iowa. It's just ridiculous. I ain't been out the house since before Christmas. I had a sinus infection. I had fluid in my ears. I still got a little bit in my ears. But I'm getting sick of this. I'll be glad when it go away. Yep, I ain't been out the house since before Christmas. I'm going to try to get out probably either tomorrow or probably the weekend. My girlfriend having a birthday party Saturday. So I'm going to try to go to that depending on how I'm feeling and stuff. I don't know yet. I want to go though. The reason why I'm kind of scared to go out the house, because last time I went out and I had that fluid in my ear, it was all up in my head, and man, from that cold air, and the temperature is like -4 and stuff, so it's like really cold outside, so I don't know. I have to see about it. I do want to go though. Gotta wash my can off. Y'all wash y'all cans off before y'all open them. You have to, because these cans be in warehouses and stuff. Mice, rats, all kind of stuff probably crawling on them cans. Make sure you wash your cans off before you open them. I remember I had read in the paper one time where some little girl got sick from some Coca-Cola cans. It had some kind of disease or something, virus something, on the outside of the can, and she drank it. It made her real, real sick. I even think some people died from stuff like that. So you have to be real careful with these cans. They be in trucks and, you know, them semis carrying them and stuff, and they just throwing them in there. Ain't no telling what's on these cans. So yeah, just rinse them off. Oh, you probably wonder why I took some chili out. I always put Hormel chili in my hamburger dip. This one is the one with no beans. Sometimes I use the ones with beans, sometimes I don't. This is what's in my cabinet, so this is what I'm using today. I don't put it in until after I cook my meat and drain it. Then I put it in there. And I don't season my hamburger meat when I make a hamburger dip. And the reason for that is because when I season my hamburger, if I make a hamburger dip, it take away from the taste that I'm looking for. So I don't season it. I like that cheese sauce taste. And when I got seasoning on it, it don't taste right. And I don't season my sloppy joe either because it take away from the taste, from the sauce. So what's y'all plans this weekend? What y'all got going on this weekend? That's the only thing I got going on is this birthday party if I'm feeling up to going. I guess it depends on how I'm feeling and the weather. Yep. Alright, y'all, I'm going to let this hamburger cook and I'm going to drain it and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I drained my hamburger. I'm going to add the chili to it. I'm so hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day. Well, yes, I did. I had a couple of Cheetos, but I ain't had no food all day. Can't wait to eat. I also put picante sauce in it. I don't put bell peppers or onions or none of that in there because it's in here. If it wasn't in here, then I probably would put it in there. And I usually only use like a half a jar. That's all I need. That was cold at the refrigerator, so it's going to take a minute for it to heat through. I had just set it out. Oh, that looks so good. Can y'all see that? It looks so good. It's going to taste good too. And I got some cheese whiz. This is what I put in it. I'm not going to put it in there though until it heat through so it'll melt quick. It's still kind of cool right now from that picante sauce being in the refrigerator. So yeah. So I'm gonna I got some dishes and stuff in there. I'm gonna let this come to a nice simmer. I'm gonna wash up my dishes, and I'll come back when I get ready to put the cheese sauce in there and let y'all see. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this is simmering real good now. I'm getting ready to add my cheese whiz to it. I usually only add like 2 big spoonfuls. That'll be enough. Like that. And one more. Yep, that's enough. I swear, let me tell y'all something. Every time I'm cooking, I drop something. Do that mean something? For real, I swear, every time I'm cooking, I drop something. I don't know if that means something or what. I don't know. It never fails. It never fails. That just gave me a reason to mop. But it never fails, for real, honestly. I got me some Doritos to go with it. I can't wait to eat. Yesterday, let me see, what did I cook yesterday? Yesterday, I made, what did I make yesterday? Did I cook yesterday? No, I didn't, wait, yesterday was Tuesday. Did I cook yesterday? I don't even remember. I must didn't, because I think I had leftovers. Yep, I did. I had leftover. I had some macaroni, and my husband bought some chicken. And I had leftover macaroni and some corn. Yeah, that's what I ate yesterday. So no, I didn't cook nothing. Yep, so basically this is done. All the cheese is melted. It smells so good. Yep. It's good and it's ready. And I'm ready for it. And get me a bowl. Get my chips. cut off now. Yep, it's ready. Can y'all see that? Yep, that's how I make my hamburger. Put me some sour, see that? Put me some sour cream on it. It's gonna be so good. Hot. See? Mmm. This is so good. Burning my hand. Okay, y'all. I ain't gonna talk to you. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And thank you for becoming a part of the Care Bear family. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright. Bye. Love you. Bye-bye.